Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a workflow in Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a workflow wizard in no time. So let's get started. First off, sign into your Monday.com account and navigate to the main dashboard. This is the command center where all your projects and tasks live. The reason we start here is because it gives us a bird's eye view of all our ongoing projects and lets us see where a new workflow might fit in. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's click on the New button at the top right corner, then select Board. This will open up a new board for our workflow. Boards are the backbone of every workflow on Monday.com. They help us to visualize our work and track its progress. Next up, we need to customize our board. You can add columns for different stages of your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can also add a timeline or deadline column to keep track of important dates. This helps us because it allows us to break our workflow into manageable chunks and keep everything organized. Now that we've set up our board, let's add some tasks. Click on the Add Item button and enter the details of your task. You can assign it to team members, set a deadline, and add any relevant notes. Adding tasks is how we populate our workflow, and assigning them ensures everyone knows what they need to do. The reason we do this is to ensure that our workflow has direction and purpose. It's not enough to just have a board. We need tasks that move us towards our goals. Now let's add some automations. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board. This will open up a menu of automation options. For example, you could set an automation to move tasks to the Done column when their status changes to Complete. Automations streamline our workflow by reducing manual work and keeping everything moving smoothly. Let me explain why this matters. Automations are like the engine of our workflow. They keep tasks moving from one stage to the next, ensuring that nothing gets stuck or forgotten. And there you have it. Your brand new workflow is ready to go. Remember, a good workflow is a living, breathing entity, so don't be afraid to tweak and adjust as you go along. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one where we'll explore more tips and tricks for mastering Monday.com. Until then, happy workflow creating.